Today, after work, we're going for our dinner with the beautiful people in and out.
And also, late surprise birthday party
For Lynn,
so
yeah.
she doesn't know.
I know she will cry again. Let's go.
Check it
See you
out.
later. Yep. Happy birthday balloons. Hello, beautiful. Selfie, yellow, huh? That's your next favorite color.
No, I always like yellow because it's with my skin color, it looks nice and stand out. The dress is stand out.
Nice view there. The paper deal. Rumstick is 22.
Really nice. So 12, but I don't feel like schnitzel. I feel like
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. Get together with these beautiful ladies. 330 ml, which is $14. Oh. 300? If you're going...
$5 or less. $5.
Oh, $5. I thought
$5 one.
$5. So... $5. Cook sakto.
Always chili for life.
We finished our dinner, guys.
I didn't regret that at all.
We're waiting for the... I'm talking to myself. We are talking.
Jen, I took nice picture of you and Jackie. Can you just take a picture nice? Look, you're nice. Nice.
So, very for dinner. Tapos, yung seafood basket is $28.50. So, mahal siya, no? Mahal, pero worth it. Dinner out with my beautiful friends. Hello, madam. Nice catching up. Catching you up. Busy si madam.
One hour later.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
August 22.
Woohoo! Smile.
She's 20 years old. She's holding the 20 number.
Make a wish. Make a wish come true.
One by one. One can do one wish. One can do one wish. Just take the candle first. Take the candle.
Nahiya man ako. Daming tao. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Is it a birthday? To you.
Belated.
Belated. We already. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Nakapanihapon naman. Unta para wala.
Energy. Thanks to Leah.
Hello. Today is Glenn's birthday. Belated. Cake. Birthday cake. Beautiful friends for having a birthday dinner. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Madam Susan still eating. Yummy?
Happy Freedom Day.
Yahoo! Australia.
Happy birthday to Marilyn. Belated.
Belated.
Belated happy birthday.
Belated.
Hello, Paul.
Birthday na ni Luke's birthday also.
Thank you, beautiful, for having us, for our catch up, for a big catch up, for our Freedom Day. Oh, they You talk. Yes. 20 people fully vaccinated.
Certificate.
No, if the police will come, they're gonna show us our vaccination certificate. Do you have a QR code in the house?
What's it called? Thermometer to check the
Temperature.
No, Asian style. You have go out. You have go out. Hang on. You call me. Make sure you're not putting ice in it because Filipino style.
I make it clear. 20 people are allowed when they have fully vaccinated. Okay?
Are you doing your show
yes.
or only you and me?
You, everyone.
I can see the video, just you and me.
They already had a video, so. Okay? So when and where?
I know. I gonna let you know because I have to talk to my kids. I want my kids there as well.
Okay.
On the 1st of November. No, that's
First of Christmas.
They're working.
But
So
after working, we
it's
can.
really good catch up, guys, with these beautiful ladies that after lockdown just talk there. Okay, I'm just talking to myself.
Yeah, we cannot because she's working.
Oh my god.
It's a nice catch up, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. God bless. Bye. No.
Thank you so much. Are you videoing, huh?
Yes, that's right.
What are you doing?
Videoing again. Thank you, beautiful people, for having.
Thank you for messing up.
For our first.
I'm very sorry about it. I didn't realize.
Thank you for messing up.
I know.
For our first.
I said to
Maybe we buy flower for Leia because oh my god, she's
Nice catching up, you beautiful little friends. See you next time after the lockdown.
please
So
like and subscribe.
yes, please.
Yes.
That's why I love you guys for supporting my YouTube channel.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go home. Let's go home, Sharon. Mask on.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Dai. Be good, Dai, okay? Jack, I miss you, Jack. Miss you too, Jack. See you next time, Jack. I miss you, Jack. Thank you. Everybody. Time to go home. Pack the balloon. So we're going home, guys. Yes. And our umbrella. Oh, it's cold. Thank you, beautiful people. See our next catch up. So cute. Thank you for watching. It's really cold.
You organize it next
Maulan daw, degree. How many degrees?
Okay.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
See you next time or next catch up. Freezing cold, no jumper. See you, ate. Thank you. Sige day. Part 2. Thank you. So the weather is really bad. It was raining, so it was a good night. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next vlog.